Navigo Decouverte Pass. Dear Gabrielle, what is a Navigo Decouverte Pass? The Navigo Decouverte Pass is for tourists. Do not confuse it with the Navigo Pass, which is for residents. The Navigo Decouverte Pass is a reloadable smart card that allows unrestricted travel on the metro for 1 week, valid Monday through Sunday, or 1 month, valid from the first to the last day of the month. You can purchase it for €5 at the Metro Services counter. A weekly downloaded pass, une semaine, with all zones 1 through 5, costs €22.80. A monthly downloaded pass, un mois, with all zones 1 through 5, costs €75.20. Both weekly and monthly passes are valid for central Paris and the surrounding suburbs, except for travel on the Orlyval. Purchases are non-transferable and non-refundable. To validate your pass, print your last name, nom, and your first name, prénom, on the pass. Then supply a passport photo to be used on the pass. If you don't have one, you can usually find an automated photo booth at major metro stations. How to use: go to the metro entrance turnstile, scan your pass on the purple bullseye, and listen for the chime sound, signifying that your card has been accepted. Continue on through the turnstile and follow your corresponding corridor. Transit agents will issue fines, payable immediately if your pass is not filled out correctly. Fares are effective as of August 2018. For more useful information on the Paris Metro, please subscribe to Easy Paris Metro's channel.